In this section, we are going to add Firebase to our project. Firebase will give us the ability to store data with Firestore, and also will give us the authentication, and it will make it much easier to use Google Auth in order to authenticate to the third parties like Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, and of course to the Google itself. So before you start doing something, you need to have a Google account or Gmail. Once you logged in, as you can see here, then you go into the firebase.google.com and you will land up to this page. And if you're watching to this course later, probably the home page will have some updates, but it doesn't matter. But why are you going to use Firebase? Basically, it's not mandatory. You can use any database if you want, but Firebase is very fast and is well tested and it's backed by Google. So a lot of big applications are using it. It is production ready solution, so you can use it in production as well. And it's very fast, real time. We can use Firebase with many different languages. As you can see, these are some of them: Swift, Objective-C, Java, JavaScript, C++, Unity, and many more. And we can do all the operations with our language of choice. For example, here is JavaScript. So very simple and it's very fast. And as you can see, a lot of big players are using Firebase. I think enough talking about Firebase. Let's go and see what do we have inside the console. So let's just go to console. Inside our app, after we chose our project, we can see a list of products we can use within a Firebase. We are going to use authentication and database. In a database, we have two options: real-time database and cloud Firestore. We are going to use Firestore in this example and within this course. However, you can use real-time database. There are some differences between these two. Let's go through them. Real-time database is a very big JSON file, but Firestore will give you a document and collections. So that's one big difference. So you can have a better query and more structured data within Cloud Firestore. And also it's designed to scale. So for the scale, Firestore, it plays a little bit better. And it's easier for fetching data. And it also supports multi-regions. And the pricing is a little bit different. However, the amount of things we're going to use here, they're all free. After using our application, Firestore is going to index our collections. So now we will have a different indexes. So it depends on the queries. So it's going to give us these indexes for better performance. Also, we can see the usage. So we are going to have analytics out of the box. From the authentication, as you will see in the future, we're going to use some of these things. However, you can implement more if you want.